Daikin revolutionizes air conditioning technology to bring you a smarter lifestyle. With Daikin Smart Control, air conditioning can now be managed easily, conveniently and remotely, anytime, anywhere, providing effortless comfort for you and your family. With just the simplest touch, Smart Control opens a world beyond imagination. Smart Control brings convenience and a little inspiring fun. Smart Powerful Plus makes your home cozy. With the latest thermal sensor technology, Smart Powerful Plus provides an instant, strong, cool air. Smart EcoMax maximizes energy efficiency while maintaining a constant and pleasant temperature. It automatically cools the room gracefully when it senses your presence. Smart Sense brings comfort and sometimes a little surprise. Smart Clean provides uncompromising protection for you and your family. It defends your home by purifying the air and removing unwanted threats. As you enjoy clean and fresh, cool air, ensuring an uninterrupted sleep and absolute peace. Smart Clean brings protection and a little tender love. Daikin Smarto, the smartest way to cool your home.